Have you ever shared a pizza with friends and noticed how it's cut into slices? If so, you've already seen fractions in action. Fractions are everywhere, in food, in measuring, and even in telling time. Today, we're going to learn what fractions are, how they work, and why they're so useful. Let's get started. First, what is a fraction? A fraction is a way of showing a part of a whole. Imagine a whole pizza sitting in front of you. If you cut it into equal slices, each slice is a fraction of the whole pizza. A fraction has two parts. The top number, numerator, tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number, denominator, tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, if you cut a pizza into 4 equal slices, then your denominator is 4, the total number of slices. If you take one slice, then you took 1/4 of the pizza. A 1 goes in the numerator spot. If you want to know how much of the pizza remains, you count the slices left. We have 3 remaining slices out of the 4 total. So our fraction is 3/4. Let's look at some more examples using pizza slices. If you cut a pizza into 2 equal slices and you take one slice, then you have 1/2 of the pizza. If you take both slices, then you have 2 halves, which equals a whole pizza. If I have a pizza with 8 equal slices, then my denominator is 8, because all 8 slices make up a whole pizza. But what if I eat a slice? How much of this pizza did I eat? I ate 1/8 of the pizza. Well, I'm still hungry. What if I eat another slice? How much of the pizza have I had now? Just put a 2 in the numerator spot. I ate 2/8 of the pizza. If I invite some friends over and they eat pizza too, then we just keep adding 1 to the numerator spot for each slice eaten until the entire pizza is gone. When the numerator and denominator match, that equals a whole. A whole pizza in this case. Fractions come in different sizes. Let's look at some examples. 1/2 of a pizza is bigger than 1/4 of a pizza. Each represents 1 slice of pizza, but the half slice is a larger amount of the whole pizza. The 1/4 slice is a smaller piece of the whole pizza. 1/4 is greater than 1/8. 1/8 is greater than 1/10. 1/10 is greater than 1/12. The greater the denominator, the smaller the fraction, because it means that item was divided into smaller parts, just like the pizza. A fraction is equal to 1 whole when the numerator and denominator are the same. If you eat 4 out of 4 pizza slices, then you've eaten the entire pizza. Great job learning about fractions. Let's review. A fraction shows a part of a whole. The numerator, top number, tells how many parts we have, or in this case, how many slices of pizza we ate. The denominator, bottom number, tells how many total parts there are, or how many total slices the pizza was divided into. Larger denominators mean smaller pieces. When the numerator and denominator are the same, it equals 1 whole. Before you go, let's practice a few problems of finding fractions. Imagine a pizza cut into 8 slices. If you take 5 slices, what fraction of the pizza do you have? You have 5 slices and there are 3 remaining, so you have 5 out of the 8 slices of pizza. You have 5/8 of the pizza. What if you only take 3 slices? How much of the pizza do you have now? You have 3/8 of the pizza, 3 out of 8 total slices. So if you have 3 slices of pizza, how much of the remaining pizza is left for everyone else? There is 5/8 of the pizza remaining because there are 5 out of the 8 total slices left. Awesome work. You've taken your first step in understanding fractions. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a fractions expert. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe to learn this for more fun and easy math lessons. See you next time!